Welcome to Go Loco Podcast. My name's Adrian and I'm super excited to announce the launch of a new limited series right here on this channel called Loco Kitchen. It takes the best out of the online experience on Loco Guides Connect and puts it into a cooking show format. The concept's really simple. I go on to Loco Guides Connect, which is this amazing online community where local guides from all around the world gather to share their local knowledge and their passion for the Loco Guides program. And I search for recipes under the food and drinks category. Specifically, I'm looking for recipes that are really easy to make and take up to 30 minutes to do so, and uses ingredients that I can easily find right here in Manchester. And then I invite the author to join me on a live stream to introduce their dish and to also guide me in the process of making it. That's right, it is going to be live, and the very first episode is happening this weekend on March the 6th at 10 a.m. UK time. You can find the link to the live stream in the video description below. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to set a reminder so that you do not miss the very first episode. Want to introduce your tummy to a new fantastic dish from somewhere around the world? Check! Maybe meet an amazing local guide other than me. Snap! What about learning something about the Local Guides program? Bingo! You can do all that and more whilst watching me cook live and make a complete mess in my kitchen. And what could be better than that? Well, actually, I'm looking for more participants to take part in this series, so put your chef hat on and post a recipe on Local Guides Connect. Don't forget, keep it simple and be original. Don't copy and paste. I'm looking for photos and list of ingredients of all the things that goes into your recipe and also instructions on how to make it. And don't forget to add the hashtag localguideskitchen to your post and also tag me at Adrian Linsong so that I do not miss your post. And who knows, you may hear from me pretty soon. And that's it. That's my big announcement for today. I hope you're super excited for this Local Guides Kitchen. Do subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any future updates. Thank you so much.
Go loco with us.
Bellissimo.
Go loco with adventure. Go loco with us. Go loco with adventure. Your unofficial cast to all things local guys.